I chose to do a welding project because my dad just got a welder and I thought it would be really fun to do. A good pair of gloves are very heavy duty and go up your arm a little. Some masks are very fancy and are solar activated for when sparks start to fly. And they also have a darken gauge. And some other masks aren't so fancy and are always very dark, and you can't really see what you're doing with these. This type of welder uses a spark to weld with, and the circuit starts at the welder. The circuit starts at the welder, it comes up through the handle and into the ground wire, and then comes back to the welder. When this is done, a spark is created. So the controls on the welder are the off and on button, which obviously turns it off and on, and the speed gauge of which the wire comes out, and the maximum and minimum of the voltage. I only know 2 strategies, but one is just normal, hold the handle with both hands and weld. Or another is use your hand as a guide for where you're welding. And you never weld up, you always weld down. This is what a good weld should look like. And over here is where the current is too low. And over here is where current is too high or the wire feed is too fast. And this is when a welding speed is too fast. This is when a welding speed is too slow. This one is when the wire is sticking out too far when you start. One other thing. There are certain metals you can't weld. To test if it's weldable, you can usually do it if it's magnetic. So my dad just stuck this magnet on this piece of metal. So we know that this is weldable now. So let's weld.